What's up, nerds? This is Mr. Storm. I'm going to walk you through completing the Google Docs Common Tasks assignment. What you are going to need to do is review the lessons and then complete the challenges 1 through 5 in the Google Docs Common Tasks assignment, and then turn in all your documents for credit. One thing to note, please ignore this file here. There's just an artifact that just won't go away. Just ignore it. We're going to open up the Google Docs Common Tasks assignment. And this document is going to give you 5 different challenges to complete, and they are all easy to do. Now, one thing, when you're going through these lessons, you might see the challenges pop up on the bottom of the page. Don't complete those challenges. Even though they look like they're exactly the same, they're not. I've modified these so that they're a little different and they're a little easier to follow. I've taken out steps that aren't necessary, things like that. So follow the steps in this document, not in the lessons. Okay. So the first one, let's go ahead and knock out challenge 1. So open Google Docs, create a new blank file, rename it, change the page orientation, margin sizes, and page color. Let's do that very quickly. So docs.google.com. And then when that opens, let's create a new blank document. Okay. And we're going to rename that practice document. That's easy. Okay. And now I want to change the orientation, margin, and page color. That's easy as well. Go to File, Page Setup, and I can change the orientation to landscape, change the margin sizes to 0.5. Easy enough. And then change my page color to a light blue. All right, now that is done. Challenge 1, easy and complete. Let's go to challenge 2. Now this is going to give me a document to use. So I can just click on that, open it up. Now notice that it's view only, meaning I won't be able to make any changes to this. The first thing I want to do is go to File, Make a Copy. And I can name it whatever I'd like. And click OK. I can go ahead and get rid of that one. So now I have my own version of this document that I can then modify however I'd like. Step 2, delete the last sentence of the 3rd paragraph of the letter. So let's go down, 3rd paragraph, last sentence, at the close of the evening. Let's go ahead and delete that. And make sure I maintain my spacing so it looks nice. Number 3, use cut and paste or drag and drop to move the 2nd paragraph below the 3rd. So let's go to the 2nd paragraph, as you may know. Now, here you can cut and paste, Control X, Control V, or you can right-click, cut, and then paste it down here. But my favorite thing to do is drag and drop. Once you have this text highlighted, you can just click and then drag, holding down that click and drag it. And it will move that entire body of text without having to do a bunch of cut and paste. Pretty easy, right? Good, good, good. Number 4, use find and replace to replace all occurrences of the word donation with gift. So that's pretty easy. We go up here to edit, go to find and replace, and we type the word donation because we're trying to find all instances of the word donation. And we're going to replace it with the word gift. And replace. And actually we can just click replace all. So there we go. All of those have been replaced. And last step, run a spell check to make sure the words are spelled correctly. And ignore the word alley-oop, whatever that means. So if we go to Tools, Spelling, we can go through the spelling check. Now this is trying to change alley-oop to calliope, and we don't want that. So we're going to click Ignore. And there are no other spelling options here, which is great. Good. So we are done with that. Let's go to challenge 3, formatting text and adding hyperlinks. So again, click on the file, open it up, and once it opens, we will go to make a new copy. Click OK. All right, step 2, select the first 2 lines of text and center align them. So first 2 lines of text, which will be these right here. We will click those and we will center align them. So we can go up to our alignment options here and click center. So now they're in the center of the document. Select the text that starts with 2 bed, 1.5 bath, and ends with won't last, available June 1st. Then change the line spacing to 1.5. So here, select this body or this block of text, change the spacing to 1.5. Okay. Select the words for rent and change the font to something of your choosing. So we go back up here, go to for rent, and let's change the font to, I don't know, whatever we think looks nice. Let's do impact. I like impact. Okay. All right. And change, with for rent still selected, change the font size to 30 and bold the text. All right. Let's do font size 30. And I can click bold. It's already kind of a bold font. Actually, let's change the font to something better. Let's go Proxima Nova is awesome. All right, we'll do that. And now it's bolded. It's 30-point font. Okay, select the words about Via Pina and change the font color to green. All right, change that. We'll go up here, change the text color. We'll make it green. Easy stuff. And then we will scroll to the bottom of the page, select the web address, and change it to a hyperlink. So we'll go down here, select that, and we will change this into a hyperlink. Okay, easy. Now that is complete. Now stay tuned for the next video where we will do the other exercises. Thank you for paying attention, and I'll see you next time.